Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain the two off-campus drives. Okay, so the first one is Next Spare Technologies and the another one is Sony India Software Private Limited. Okay, so first of all we will see the Next Spare Technologies. I have already posted this vacancy post yesterday on my Instagram page. Many of the candidates haven't don't know about this vacancy, so I am adding this vacancy in this video. So Next Sphere is hiring for the position of trainee software engineer. This is mainly fresher off campus drive or trainee software developer. Qualification required MCA, MSc, ME, MTech or BE BTech in the CSE, IT, electronics, electrical. Year of passing required 2019, 2020 and 2021 only. Minimum percentage required 65% in all the academic. Job location required Chennai and CTC is 2.72 to 3 LPA. Walk-in dates are from 18th of October to 31st of October, from Monday to Sunday. This is the walk-in drive, and you between the date from 18 to 31st of October, that is Monday to Sunday. Time 10 am. Mode of interview, there will be written test including aptitude and programming, followed by technical round and HR round. Venue, you can see the venue, Bascon Futura SVIT Park, 10th floor. So this is the drive venue that you need to reach at this location to attend the Next Spare of campus drive. Contact person, you can see here. Please note this point: wear your mask, be safe and come safe. You can directly walk in, or interested candidates can share your profile to us on this mail ID. So if you are interested to apply for this position, then you can share your resume to this mail ID, hr.in@nextsphere.com. So this is the first vacancy. So let us move to the next vacancy from the Sony India Software Center Limited. So they are hiring for the fresh graduates who have passed out in 2021. BE BTech, Computer Science, Information Science and Information Technology branches are allowed to apply. So you need to click here to apply for this drive. You can also check here, Sony hiring freshers, Sony India Software Center Private Limited, this is the company name, is hiring from batch 2021. Job location is Bangalore. So last date to apply is 15th of October 2021. Okay, so last date to apply is 15th of October 2021. Who can apply? BE BTech graduate from 2021 batch in one of the following disciplines only: Computer Science, Information Technology or Information Science. Should have scored 65% and above in the 10th, 12th or diploma and graduation. Resumes without the below details will be considered rejected. Discipline of graduation, year of passing, percentage or CGPA scored. Okay, so if your resume, if you do not mention your branch, your year of passing, your percentage or CGPA in the resume, then they will not going to consider your resume. Your resume will be rejected. So please mention your discipline or branch of graduation. Please mention your year of passing as well, and also mention your percentage or CGPA in the resume. So how to apply for this drive? You can see here, Sony company is hiring. So this is the link to apply. From this link you can apply. So they have provided the same eligibility criteria: must have good analytical and problem solving skills, quick learner, good communication and presentation and interpersonal skills, should be batch 2021 pass out, then BE BTech graduate in one of the following disciplines only, either Computer Science or Information Technology or Information Science. Should have scored minimum 65% or above in the 10th, 12th or graduation. Job location is Bangalore. Then last date to apply for this role is 15th of October. As I mentioned earlier, resumes without the below details will be rejected. Discipline of the graduation. Disciplines means your branch or stream, IT, Computer Science, like this. Year of passing, you should mention your 10th year of passing, 12th or diploma year of passing, as well as graduation year of passing. Then mention your percentage or CGPA scored in 10th, 12th or diploma and in graduation. Click here on the apply now button to apply for this Sony off campus drive. Okay, so yeah, the job role will be fresher software engineer. So please apply for this off campus drive, and thanks for watching this video.